Hello students, in this session I will explain you sum number B, C and D of question number 3 of exercise 11.2. So let's begin with question number B. Now in question number B, height is given 15 centimeter, area is given 154.5 centimeter square, and you have to get the value of base. Now what is the formula of a base? Now before that you need to write area of a triangle. Now what is area of a triangle? Area of a triangle is half into base into height, isn't it? Now you have to get the value of a base. Fine. For that you have to transpose all the values towards left hand side. So the formula of base would be base equals to 2 into area by height. Okay. So this is the formula of base. Now what are the values given? Area is given what? 154.5 centimeter square. And what is the value of height given? 15 centimeter, isn't it? 15 centimeter. Now first of all, reduce this unit. 2 centimeters are there and 1 centimeter is there in the denominator. So we will reduce 1. So only 1 centimeter will remain. Now, if you divide 154.5 divided by 15, so what will be the answer? The answer would be 10.3. okay, you just calculate it and do it. 10.3. now we have to multiply this 10.3 with 2 to get the value of base, isn't it? So if you multiply this with 2, what will be the answer? Yes, absolutely right, that is 20.6 centimeter. So this is the answer of base. So base value would be 20.6 centimeter. Okay. Now let's move on to sum number C. In sum number C, we see that we have to again get the value of base. Height is given and area is also given. Area unit would be centimeter square. Now what is the formula of base? What did I give you? That is 2 into area by height. Okay, remember this. Now what is the value of area? 48.72. 48.72. And what is the value of height? Height is given 8.4. The first thing that you will do, you will reduce the decimals. Now what is the rule? First of all, if you want to reduce this decimal, then you have to put 0 on the denominator formation. Okay, so after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So when you will remove this, 2 zeros will be there. That is, you have to divide this number by 100. And when you will reduce the denominator decimals, then you will have to put the number of zeros, that is on the in numerator place. So after decimal, how many digits are there? 1. So if you remove this, then you will put 110 out here. So now it will look like 2 into 4872 into 10 upon 84 into 100. Now the first thing you will do is you reduce the zeros. Okay. Now if you calculate this, okay, so what will be the answer? That is 2, 4, 3 and 6. I am dividing this whole number with 2. The same thing I will do with this also. 42. Okay, again I will divide this number with 2. This will be 12 and this will be 18 and this will be 21. Okay, now I think this number is not reducible by 2 anymore, so I need to check it out whether 1218 is divisible by 21 or not. 1218 is divisible by 21. Let us check it out. Yes, it is divisible. So 21 was 21, 21, 58. So now 2 into 58. Now 10 is there on the denominator place. This will be centimeter. Now 2 into 50 is what? 2 into 50 is 116 upon 10 centimeter. So you have to divide this 116 by 10. So answer would be 11.6 centimeter. So your required answer for base is 11.6 centimeter, students. Okay, this is the solution of sum number C. Let's into sum number D of question number 3. In question number D, you see the base, this time base is given, area is given. Now you have to get the value of height. Now what would be the formula of height? The height formula would be little bit of modification we have to do. That is, again, here would be 2 into area in the numerator, but this time in denominator there won't be any height, but this time you have to write base. So when you're writing the formula of a base, what you have written, 2 into area by height, and when you're writing the formula of a height, you have to write 2 into area by base. This is the only modification that you have to do. Now what is the area is given? 16.38. so write it down, 16.38. and what is the base given? That is 15.6. okay, 15.6. Now last time I said to convert this decimal into the fractional form, so definitely you will do the same thing, but before that you just multiply these two, that is 16.38. it will make your work more easier, students. Okay, the 16.38 into, let me check it out, what is the answer? 16.38 into 2, so answer is 32.76 upon 15.6. Now if some of the students finds this process is little bit tough, converting the decimal into the fractional form, so let me show you the another way. This division can be written in this format also. See, you can write this form in this format also. Now you convert the decimal into the fractional form. Now after decimal, how many digits are there? 2. So we can write in this format. We have to divide it by 100. And this number, this decimal form is carrying 1 digit after the decimal. So what we'll do? We have to divide it by 10. Okay. Now as we have learned that when we put division, multiplication sign in place of division, then the right hand side fraction will be reciprocal. Reciprocal means interchange of denominator with the numerator. That is 10 will go up and 156 will come down. Okay, now I see that it has become much easier now. So reduce this 0. Now you have to do the calculation, that is divide this number with 2. Eventually you have to divide this number with also 2. After you done the calculation, I need to say that everyone has done the calculation, okay, and show it to me and give the answer. Okay, this time I won't be doing the calculation. This time you people will do the calculation and give me the answer. Okay, so for today's session, sum number B, sum number C and sum number D you have to do. Sum number D you have to go for the calculation also. Okay students, thank you, take care and God bless you all.